Hello and welcome my friend, here is the car doctor Peter Finn, and then I am planning to give you information that when my car's engine is bad and how I can know that my engine is now totally bad and useless and I can't anymore use my engine. And now there is excellent example engine from Japan, Honda engine, and now I am thinking that is this my Honda's engine totally scrap, and that's I have to do now this bad engine test. And what is this bad engine test? Bad engine test is that we have to measure this engine's pistons compression rates, and this compression rates is most important and critical thing in these engines, and it happens so that I have to remove firstly all of my spark plugs in that way, and these are these ignition cables, spark plug cables, and then I have to take all of these spark plugs what are in these holes away. And next I take my spark plugs away, and then I take this my bad engine tester that we can test that what is situation in my engine. Okay, and then I need this socket where this spark plug fits, and then I have also used in here duct tape and electric tape, because sometimes this spark plug can drop, and that's I have installed in here little bit tape. And then I take this my spark plug away, and this is opening direction in that way. And then if I have this electric driver, I can use now and take this spark plug away. Okay, and now it is still in there, and carefully I took away my spark plug. Okay, and then when I have removed all of these spark plugs, we can do this test, this bad engine test. And let's look when I take my tester in here. Okay, and then we need really this compression tester, and we can use this digital compression tester like I have in here, or then in this manual compression tester. Both works. I use this digital compression tester because there is this memory also. And now there is this German text, but I believe that this an and aus is like starting point when I press that, yes. And now firstly I have to reset this device, and it means that I press that button like 5 seconds. Okay, sorry, it is not that one, it is maybe das Löschen. Okay, now all cylinders are resetted, and then that central button changes the cylinder position. And now when I start this my job, I need this compression tester, like this bad engine tester, and then I need also result paper, like in here. And now there is thing that I have to mark in here that what cylinder I have, and then how much bars, and then the most important thing, that if I can get results that I have less than 8 bar, then I can make judgment and conclusion that my engine is bad engine. That if I have less than 8 bar, then engine is bad. In that my chart there is 9 to 8, but now I say that 8 is bad, and this is this testing's purpose, that I test that how much I have compression rates in all of these 4 cylinders, and if I can find any of these cylinders, that there is less than 8 bar compression, then this my engine is bad. And also, if I have all of these 4 cylinders, they are compression less than 8 bar, then this is totally junk scrap, this engine. Because sometimes I might have in some cylinders like 10 bars, and then one of these like 7 bars. And then this means that this engine is bad, and I have to replace this engine. So easy. Okay, and then let's start job. And I need then this hose. Where is this thread? And this is similar than spark plug thread. And they goes in same this cylinder head hole, but this measures pressure, and this pressure goes in through that copper hose to this my measurement tool, and there is this connector. Then I move that connector, that one in here, in this way, then I can connect these cables in that way, and now there is connection. But now I took that away because it is easier to rotate, and let's start this my job in this piston 1. And piston 1 is always the nearest of this timing belt or timing chain. And now when I install this my hose, it is so easy that I only rotate using my fingers. No any tongs we are need, because there is rubber gasket in here, that one, this black in here, and it is soft, that only hand rotation is enough in that way. Okay, and let's go to look that how bad is my Honda engine. And remember, my friend, that if I can find any cylinder where is less than 8 bar this compression, like example 7 bar in here and then 6 bar in here, then this my engine is bad, totally scrap. And then what this means, that if my engine is bad, it means that then this engine, it don't work well. There's always some issues. And now I am ready in this cylinder 1, and then I connect this my digital measurement tool in here in that way, and then I install this my tester in here in this way, and then we can look these amounts in here. And then next step is that I have to rotate this my engine. I have to start this my engine about 5 seconds. 5 seconds is this time when pistons goes up and down, and then we can see this measurement in this specific piston 1 area. 5 seconds starting, and then I change this cylinder, and then I change cylinder, and then I change cylinder, and then we have result of all of these cylinders. And let's go to look then closer this my digital meter. Let's go to look digital. Okay, and there is this my digital meter. Now there is none, but I open it and soon I start this my engine, and let's look at what results we can see in here. That if there is this, and now I choose bar is now this scale, and there must be at least 8 bar. And let's go to look at what happens next. Okay, and there we can see the result, and result is 12 bar. And this is good amount, and that tells to me that now this cylinder 1 is okay. Okay, and there was really 12 bars in this cylinder 1, and it is good result, and now we can say that cylinder 1 is okay. And then I remove compression, there is button, and I press that, and then I can change this my cylinder. And then I took also this my cylinder head cover away, that I can measure better these things. But you can keep this your cylinder head cover in position, but in my case I like to take this free. It is easier to my job. And then when I have this digital meter, I change that cylinder. When I press that central button, there is cylinder. Now we can see the cylinder 2. And then this digital meter collects all results in memory. And this is okay. And then again I connect this. Okay, now this tool is ready, and then let's go to look measurement. Okay, and there is really cylinder 2, and I start engine. Okay, and result is 12.8, and that means that this amount is excellent, and actually there is in memory 13.2 is the top pressure, and it is excellent result. Okay, and cylinder 2 there was excellent result, 13 bar is this pressure. Very good. And then we go to next cylinder, and those first 2 cylinders, cylinder 1 and 2, are okay. And then I change this cylinder in cylinder 3, and let's connect my tool in here, and that one can be in here, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and now we are measuring cylinder 3, and then I start my engine. Okay, and then cylinder 3 is 13.45, and this result is excellent. Okay, and really cylinder 3 was also excellent, 13.45, top pressure, excellent result. And then we change this final cylinder 4. Okay, and in here I change cylinder 4. Okay, now there is cylinder 4, and let's look at what is result. Okay, and let's go to look closer. Okay, now we have nice view in this cylinder 4, and then I go to start my engine. Okay, and final results is 13.95, and that means that now we have excellent result also in cylinder 4. Okay, and now I have made this compression test, and this test shows that I have excellent engine in this compression results, and in that way we can check that is our engine bad or good. And there is also this my scale thing, and there is excellent result if we have more bars than this 12. In that my current case, I think that 12 is excellent. Okay, and remember that in all engines we have specific tables, but in that my case, if we have 12 bars in this Honda engine, then we have excellent result. Okay, and then I take this my thing away, and this my test is ready. And in final solution and final result was really that my engine is good and I can use that. This is the result of that my current test. Thank you.